Good day everyone. Welcome to the video presentation of Group 3 Section Hotel. In this video, we're going to tackle about what is concentric circle in nature. But before we start the discussion, let me introduce you to our members.
Good day everyone, I am Marjorie Corvera Maturan, first year Criminology, 18 years old from Section Hotel.
I'm Rolando C. Gonzalez, first year Criminology, Section Hotel.
I'm Erlib Guillermo Ramador, 18 years old, first year Criminology from Section Hotel.
I'm Patrick Sangondibar, first year Criminology, 18 years old from Section Hotel.
My name is Wincal Torero, first year Criminologist from Section Hotel.
My name is Jem Bacolod and I'm 21 years old. First year is Criminology from Section Hotel.
Good day everyone, I'm Remrem Kugit Pinciano, first year Criminology from Section Hotel.
Hello everyone, my name is Kinsloy Hanoan, 18 years old, BS Criminology from Section Hotel.
My name is Eduardo Daton III from Section Hotel and I'm 18 years old. So first, what is concentric circle in nature? Concentric circle in nature are patterns where circles share the same center point but have a different radii or distance from the center point. These circles form when objects or features in nature are arranged in circular formations with each circles representing a distinct layer or level. This pattern can be observed in various nature phenomena such as tree, rings, water ripples, growth patterns of plants, rock formations, and even structure of galaxies. Watch this video presentation to you to have deeper understanding.
Concentric circles. Draw a circle C1 with center O and radius equal to 2 centimeters. With the same center O and radius is equal to 3 centimeters, draw another circle C2. With the same center O and radius equal 5 centimeters, draw a third circle C3. We say that these circles C1, C2, C3 are said to be concentric. Concentric circles are circles having the same center but different radii. Here, in the given figure, we observe that the three circles C1, C2, and C3 have the same center O but different radii. OA not equal to OB is not equal to OC. Hence, the three circles are concentric.
The first question, what math concept you fully discussed on your assigned video? So this is my groupmates' answers.
Hello, good day everyone. The concept of the assigned video is all about symmetric circle in nature. Symmetric circle defined in geometry as two or more objects that have the same center or axis but have different size.
Tessellation is a math concept that involves covering a surface with a repeated pattern of such geometric shapes, such as polygons without any gaps or overlaps. It's often discussed in geometry and involves like congruence, symmetry, and transformation, like translation, rotation, and reflection. To create these repeating patterns, tessellation is also used in arts and design for its aesthetic qualities and in architecture for tailing and paving designs.
And a second question, what is about concept besides few more real-world cases or example that would show the concept? So this is my groupmates' answer.
Good day everyone. I will be answering the second question, what is about this concept? So, about this concept, the concept of concentric circles in nature involves the presence of circular patterns with a common center. Real-world examples include, the first one is tree growth rings. Each ring represents a year of growth in a tree. Scientists use them to determine a tree's age and past condition. Second is seashell patterns. Seashells often display concentric rings, reflecting growth patterns and life history. And last one is planetary rings. On a larger scale, planets like Saturn have rings made of orbiting particles following the same geometric principles. This real-world cases illustrates the prevalence of concentric circles in nature and their significance in understanding growth and patterns in various natural phenomena. Yun lang.
The third question, what are the insights about this mathematical truth or insertees? So this is my groupmate's answer.
Good day everyone. For this video, I share my insight about concentric circles. My insight on this mathematical truth is, if you notice that almost everything we have on this world is made of concentric circles. There are so many made of concentric circles like trees or anything else. We can use it by building various things in a shape of a circles.
Question number 3. So the insight of this mathematical truth is relies on logic rather than observation as its standard of truth, yet employs observation, simulation, and even experimentation as means of discovering truth.
Question number 3. Mathematical truths, like the presence of concentric circles in nature, offer profound insight into the natural world. Number 1. Universal geometry, the presence of concentric circles in diverse natural phenomena highlights the universality of geometric principles. These circles emerged as a result of simple fundamental mathematical relationship, showcasing the elegance and consistency of mathematical describing analysis.
So guys, thank you for watching the video presentation. I hope you learned something new and God bless you.